about your other side, 'cause I can get you from my mind and touch me with easy fingertips and kiss me with your blood red lips. I wanna gaze into your ever-changing eyes. This is my love song for a vampire. There is no need to talk, don't say a word. It's all too much and a bit absurd. All I ask is you stay the night, protect me, make me feel safe and keep all the others away, and hold me very tight. Yeah, this is my love song for a vampire. This is my love song for a vampire.